What's up, everyone? It's Galaxy Fang again. And you know what I'm reviewing already, but for people who did not read the tongue-tied, sorry. Anyway, we are reviewing the Dino Fury Dino Morpher. Anyway, I'll tell you what I like about it at the start. I love the coloring. I love the red head of the T-Rex. Love the silver and gold. And the red right here. And the black. The black just puts it all together. Anyway, right now we got it off. Right here is randomize, which I do not want to do randomize. Middle is randomize, and the top is personal control. Anyway, to start it up, you just hit this little button right here. Now it has motion sensors, so when I swing my arm, it makes different noises. Anyway, sounds cool. Now for how to activate the morphing sequence. It takes this key right here, which is based off the Red Ranger. And it has a little dinosaur head at the back, which I like. I hope they come out with other Ranger keys, like the Blue Ranger, the pink, green, and black. I think I said all those right. Anyway, I'm excited to see how this season is going to be. So, anyway, right here you see the slot. You want to put the key in like this. To activate the morphing sequence, it's morphin' time. Now we just wait for the music. That's the morphing sequence music. Anyway, now it has new sound effects when you swing your arm. Which is a dinosaur growling or roaring. Makes those noises. Now, this button makes a lot of different noises. Guitars. And I love the morphing sequence music. Oh yeah. That's nice. Either way, I only have one complaint about this whole thing. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's making a clanky noise when you churn it. I wish it was easier to churn and then it makes that noise. But otherwise, it's a great purchase, a great toy. I suggest it for anyone that's a Power Rangers fan and wants to see the new season and wants to get some of the toys from the new seasons. Now, I'm really wanting to review the rest of these, like the weapons, the Megazords. I want to review these. So, yeah. That's all I gotta say about this Morpher. It is really nice. And, hold up, let me show you what... And it's a Velcro strap. So, basically, you put your arm in, and then you do this. Fits any arm. I have an adult-size arm, so... And it has their little symbol on the inside. Which I think it's a lightning bolt. Tell me if it is. So that's all I gotta say about this. It's really great. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that like button and maybe subscribing. This is Galaxy Fang, saying it's morphing time.